Hello folks, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will talk about decision control statements. Now, what are decision control statements? So, most of the times you take actions based on a condition. For example, if the weather is fine, I'll go for shopping. So, the condition is the weather fine or not? So, based on that, you will go for shopping or you'll sit home. So this is basically a decision. Based on a particular condition, you take a decision. For example, if you like my course, so if you like the course, I'll create another one. So the condition is, did you like the course? If you liked it, I'll create another one. Otherwise, that's the last one. So your decision is based on this condition. For example, another simple example, if the highway is busy, I'll take a diversion. So you're asking, is the highway busy? Based on that, either you're going to stay on the same route or you're going to go ahead and take a diversion. So similarly, in Java also, we come across these scenarios a lot of times. We make decisions based on a particular condition. So how you write that? So whatever the condition, that something is offered by an if-else block. So you check the condition here. So this is the condition. If the answer to this condition is yes, so you have an if block. So this is the part, this is called as an if block, and then you have an else block. Both the blocks has an opening and a closing brace. So you check the condition. If the answer to the condition is yes, this part of the code will run, and if the answer to this condition is wrong, then this part of the program is run. So basically, this is how the flow chart works. So this is the condition. You check the condition here. So if the answer to the condition is yes, you will go ahead and run the if block, and if the answer to this condition is no, you're going to go ahead and run the else block. So let's do an example to illustrate this better. So let's say I wanted to go ahead and see the user's age. If the user's age is greater than 18, he's allowed to go to the pubs. If the age is less than 18, he needs to study at home. So based upon what is the age of the user, different outputs will be printed. For example, let's do a simple class to illustrate that. So we'll go ahead and create a new class, and here I will say IfElseUserAgeExample, and it'll also have a main method and finish. Now here you will see, I'll do a simple example here to illustrate. So I wanted to get the user age. So to store the user age, I have a variable, and let's say right now the age of the user is 90. I'm checking if the user age is greater than 18, he is allowed to go for a party. Otherwise, so we use else here, he needs to study. So this is the condition you are checking, the user age. Now what is the current value of the user age is 19. So the condition that you are checking is the age of the user is greater than 18. So since the age of the user is 19, means this condition answer is yes. So here this part of the code is going to run. It will skip the else part because only one output will be there. Either you go for shopping or you'll sit at home. So based on the condition, either this is going to run or this is going to run. So if I go up here and I go ahead and run the program, it will go, because the age is 19, which is greater than 18, this is going to be the output of the program. So if I go ahead and say run as Java application, he's allowed to go to a party. Now if I change the age of the user to, let's say, 15, in this case, it'll check the condition if the user age is greater than 18. So in this case, the age of the user is less than 18 because 15 is less than 18. So the answer to this condition is no. So the else part of the block will run. So here you go ahead and say run as Java application, and he'll say he needs to study at home. So this is about the decision control instructions. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.